What is up guys, DSTK here. If you are looking for a best laptop stand for your MacBook or Windows laptop, then you are landed on a perfect video. Today I have both top selling stands to compare with, so let's find out which one better suits your requirement. Alright, the first one is Portronix laptop stand by name MyBuddy K3 that I reviewed few days ago in YouTube Shorts, and the second one is Daiso alloy metal laptop stand, although both have aluminium body. The price of both these stands is same, and this is not a sponsored video at all, so I bought both of these stands from Amazon. I will mention link in the description so you can grab one for yourself, and here I am comparing both of these stands in certain categories. First is based on build quality, so here you can see the Daiso did some cost cutting in terms of material, whereas Portronix have full body covered with aluminium. Both can handle weight up to 2 kg, but if you have 13 to 14 inch laptop, then Daiso is a perfect for your case, and for 16 to 7 inch laptop I would say go for Portronix stand. Second comparison is based on air ventilation. So Portronix had covered full body with alloy and forgot to give proper ventilation and just have a tiny gap, which I think it's not a practical for MacBook users, whereas Daiso have more vents to pass air, which will definitely helps to keep your laptop cool. Plus this side cut is absolutely a design mastery for those laptop have fan located at the edges. So Daiso is more practical here and a clear winner as well. The third comparison is based on height adjustment. Portronix stand is 2 inch more in height as compared to Daiso, so it's totally depend on personal preferences, but I would say winner here is Portronix. Next comparison is based on stability. So when you are typing something using Daiso stand, then you will feel more instability, but using trackpad it give more conveniency because these holding studs are at an adequate distance, whereas coming to Portronix it will give you best typing experience, but while using trackpad these holding studs are causing hurdle in between. So we can say it's a tie, but personally I will choose Portronix for better typing experience. The fifth comparison is based on style and balance. The Portronix had done a great work in hiding molds. Actually they use nut bolt mechanism and have this 2-strip finish that looks sturdy, plus have this big base work. We can say strong legs help to maintain balance in accidental shock, whereas in Daiso they had used molding mechanism instead of nut bolt. Firstly I was thinking it will give more stability, but it's not, and at the same time it's look little cheap as well, and instead of 2 parallel strip finish it has 2 joints in between to maintain strength in order to compensate with the low quality material, and have small base work. Yeah, we can say small legs. Barely heavy shock can let your laptop down from the stand, so here I think clear winner is Portronix. Next comparison is between grips. Both have silicone pads mounted for anti-slip and it is practical as well, but in Daiso I found an issue. The silicone pad is not aligned in the way it should be, and the aluminum body of the stand comes in direct contact with the laptop and will result in scratches on laptop body, whereas in Portronix the silicone pads are big enough and prevent the direct contact of laptop with the stand and helps to provide more grip. I don't know does it make sense to you or not, so here I am giving points to both of these products. Seventh comparison is based on which one is easy to carry while traveling. So here Portronix is little heavy than Daiso stand. I don't have the weight gauge at this moment, but as per product description Daiso stand is of 750 grams whereas Portronix stand is of 1 kg. So clear winner is Daiso. Next comparison is based on color. Both comes in silver color, which is not identical with MacBook silver color or space gray color, as both stands have a great finish in terms of color, but Portronix look more identical with Apple's silver color, but here it's a tie between color comparison. The ninth comparison is based on sound test of material used in both of these laptop stands. Listen. So more likely Portronix have a better and sturdy sound compared to Daiso one, so of course winner here is Portronix. The final comparison is based on price. Both have a premium price of 2000 Indian rupees, which I would say it's not justifying at all, but I feel more in Daiso stand because price should be about 1300 to 1500 rupees as per quality, whereas in Portronix stand the price is 2000 rupees on Amazon, but if you buy from their website then you will get it under 1800 rupees, but I will recommend you to buy it from Amazon because of its easy return and replacement policy. So as per more value for money product, Portronix is a clear winner here. And finally, looking at the scoreboard, then Daiso scored 50%, which is 5 out of 10, whereas Podtronic scored 80%, which is 8 out of 10. So winner here is Podtronic stand, and as my personal preference is, I will choose Podtronics over Daiso. And that's all I compared between these two stands, and I'm leaving final decision up to you. And hopefully I covered everything you need to know before purchasing a laptop stand for your MacBook or Windows laptop. So it is worth it to subscribe this channel for such comparison. And if you think I missed something, then please let me know in the comments. And thank you for stopping by till the end, and I will catch you in the next video.